plowing. Other events going on in the grounds is wheelwright demonstration too. The extraction demonstration is north Pioneer World, the Bulls yet. Pioneer World. Gal's got some fresh baking in there for sale.
Look at that. We're goofy, eh? God's sake, eh?
Yeah, dude, look. She's put on a dance.
Got that thing tuned right up.
Isn't that something? Holy man.
So whichever direction somebody calls for, you're ready.
Gotcha. Yeah.
You still have your annual little show there?
I think we will. Okay.
Getting into the newer Fords here for this one. Well, that's a little bit heavier pickup, isn't it? Yeah.
Like a camper special or a three-quarter ton.
That's setup like four-wheel drive too. And if they would report over if it's you that can identify that's at the Pioneer World building over there and claim your product, you must have left it laying or sitting somewhere. So anyway, Wayne, back to you.
Well, we don't this is all part of the
This is a little beauty, isn't it? That's got to be it. I'm going to guess it's 56. Wayne will get us on track here.
Holy man.
So whichever direction somebody calls for, you're ready.
Gotcha.
Want to go forward?